What's up guys, you're watching another video, a very different video today. You guys probably already see by the title and thumbnail what we're doing today. So this morning on Instagram I asked what should I vlog today, and a lot of you guys had some really good ideas, but somebody said rate your subscribers' cars, and I think that'd be very funny. So I posted this on my story asking you guys to send me some photos of your car builds so that I can rate them in a YouTube video right now. Now I knew I was gonna get a few DMs, but guys, oh my god, look at this. The list goes on, bro. There's so many of you guys that want me to review you guys' cars and rate them. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to all of them, unfortunately, because there's so many. There has to be at least 1,000 people that want me to rate their cars. So shout out to all of you guys that do respond to my Instagram stories, and that means a lot to me when you guys are showing support like that. But I'm gonna try to review as many cars as I can, rate as many cars as I can. The list goes on, bro. So we're gonna try to find some really cool ones. And this is just my opinion on you guys' cars. You don't have to listen to me, it's just my opinion. Everyone has their own opinions on cars and car builds, the way they build them. But I'm gonna rate all of them from like a 1 out of 10 and then let you guys know my thoughts, like how it looks and what I just think about the overall build. Probably just set the camera up like this. But before we get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. You guys have heard of these guys on my channel before. I've talked about them in the past. I've used their products in the past. But they're a carbon fiber company that makes a bunch of carbon fiber accessories, such as this slim wallet. It's full carbon fiber. It's super freaking sick. It has a little money clip in the back. It's very slim, like I said, so you can put it in your pocket. I hate thick wallets, bro. I hate carrying a lot of stuff in my pocket, and this is so small. Especially when I'm wearing like skinny jeans and stuff. This thing fits in my pocket perfectly, and it holds all my cards perfectly too. I absolutely love this wallet, and who doesn't like carbon fiber? I know a lot of us car guys love carbon fiber. We have carbon fiber all over our cars. Look, carbon fiber on my steering wheel. And how sick is it to have a carbon fiber wallet? They also make other accessories like this carbon fiber phone case. I've been rocking this for a while too. Everybody compliments it when they see it. It looks super freaking clean. But huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys want to cop one of these products, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. And if you guys do cop something, make sure you use code NICK10 for 10% off your purchase. This wallet is super sick. You guys will not regret it. All right, now let's get into the video. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screen record my phone and then throw it on the screen right here. Let's see if this works. It's gonna be a lot of editing for me to do. I hope I can get to all of you guys. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna just go down and just pick some randomly, and hopefully you guys get picked. Also, in the comments, I want all you guys to rate these cars with me. So every time I show a car on the screen, I want you guys to rate it too. 1 out of 10. Sheesh! Alright, so this is the homie Joseph. I've seen this car before at plenty of car meets. It was actually in my last vlog. This car is beautiful, bro. Obviously has the red color that I want. This is the red that I want, guys. Like I said in the previous vlogs, I'm looking for an F80, guys. I want one so bad. I've always wanted one, and I'm trying to find one, guys. The prices are just crazy right now, and it's hard to find the perfect spec that I want. Like, I want this red. I really want this red, or like a black paint. I don't know. I think it's called the Shakir Orange. It's more orange than red, but look at this. BBS wheels. Oh my god, dude. I don't know what front lip this is, but I kind of like those little like canard wide body thing. This looks kind of cool. And yeah, this is exactly something that I would build, guys. I'm a very simple guy. I don't like too much going on. I think less is more in cars. I don't like stickers. I don't like none of that stuff. So as you can tell, this car is very clean and there's not much to it. I'm gonna rate this one a 9 out of 10, bro. I think I would do a different BBS setup, but don't get me wrong, these BBSs are so clean. But yeah, 9 out of 10, bro, 100%. This car is immaculate in person too. It's so clean. Next one up, let's see. We have another BMW. There's probably gonna be a lot of BMWs. I know I got a lot of BMW fans. It's where I started from. I had the E92, and I think that's what built the fan base. So I understand there's a lot of BMW fans out there. This guy has a new G82 M4. Again, it's red, bro. I'm a little biased to these two, okay? Because you guys know red's my favorite color, and I've had red on every single car that I've owned. I think it's beautiful. The only thing I'm gonna say is I don't like the wing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a big wing guy. I think this thing without the wing is gonna look way cleaner, but like I said, it's not my car, it's their car. It's still very clean. Everything else is perfect. Looks relatively stock. I don't think he's done much to it. I'm not sure if this lip is stock or not. I haven't really looked into G80s that much, but let's see if he has the carbon bucket seats, because if he has the carbon bucket seats, this thing's gonna bump up a lot. Oh, I don't think you have the carbon seats, bro. I know the carbon seats are super expensive on these cars, but if I got a G80, it has to have those seats, bro. They're my favorite. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. If I had the seats, I probably would have given it a 10 out of 10. All right, we're gonna do the homie Nathan Supra. He actually has tons of cars. You can see his Raptor. That thing is beautiful. But we're gonna talk about his Supra right now. I'm sure you guys know his Supra. It's been in a vlog of mine. A very sad vlog. Me and him raced, and unfortunately, his engine blew, bro, while we were racing. Let's see if I can find it on here. It's this video right here. We're racing the GTR and the Supra, and all of a sudden, you see a big poof of smoke just go crazy like that. The whole freeway was smoked up. I looked in the mirror and I was like, holy crap, bro. And then the car caught fire. Like, there was literally a fire in the engine bay. It was super scary. You do not want that car to catch in flames. I would literally cry, bro. I felt so bad. I felt like it was my fault, but we were just racing. We're having a good time. But I think it's all fixed now. I think it's fully built now, and he wants to rerun it, and I'm kind of scared, bro. What if now the opposite happens? What if my engine blows? But yeah, his Supra is beautiful, as you guys can see. Very, very stock, just like I like it. You guys know I like simple cars. No stickers, nothing crazy, nothing really riced out at all. It's just very clean and simple. I'm gonna give this thing a 9 out of 10. I love the black paint. Black is my favorite color on cars too. Alright, I have to do the homie Mark's car. This is an F80 M3 again. Beautiful car, bro. It's so clean. You guys have seen this in my vlog before, but it looks just like the homie David's F80, the Austin yellow, and it's on bags, obviously. Look how low it is, bro. It's insane. The wheel fitment is crazy. I don't know how he fit those wheels on it. Sick. I love the side skirts. Those side skirts are hard. I want to do a similar setup. Not sure if I want to go for the bagged route or like the track setup, but this thing is so beautiful. It's on the floor, bro. Very, very simple. Oh, he has the GTS hood too. That is my favorite hood on these cars. And I think F80s need that hood, bro. He has white interior on it, which is hard. Carbon fiber roof, of course, you can't miss that. I rate this a 9 out of 10 too. This thing is beautiful. The only thing I would change is I would want it like red or something. But the yellow's hard. Clean, bro. Clean, clean, clean. That's my favorite. Alright, we're gonna do the homie Nick's car next. His name's Nick as well, and he has a 350Z. This car is super, super clean. The way I found you, bro, is I was on YouTube looking up how to install my new front bumper. He actually has the same front bumper that I have on my 350Z. So that's how I found him on YouTube. His car is super nice. I love it. It looks super, super clean. He has Conce wheels on it, same brand that I have on mine. Shout out to Conce, they're a huge sponsor of mine. We have Conce wheels on almost all my cars except for the GTR. I would put them on this car, but they don't make the correct specs for this car. Super clean. The interior is spotless. It looks brand new. I love everything about it. I love the little shift boot. I actually have the same looking one, I think. Is it on bags? It has to be on bags, right? There's no way you're driving that low. The only thing I don't like, I'm gonna just be completely honest, I don't like the clear taillights. Not that I don't like them, they look sick, but I prefer the red taillights. I love red taillights on cars so much. I don't know why. I just love red accents, but it still looks hard. Yeah, dude, I like the red taillights. I don't know why. The red is so sick. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I love this Z, super nice. Bro, this is gonna be a long video, dude. I feel like I'm already talking so much. We're gonna go through my requests and just speed around it real quick. Take the homie Jay's car. What is this? It's called a... Boy, how do I not know this car? It's an SS, right? What is this, bro? Oh, bro, I'm gonna get roasted in the comments, bro. I think it's an SS. I don't know. It's a Pontiac, right? I don't know this car. Like, that's really crazy to me. It looks sick. It looks like something you see at the takeovers or something. It's clean. A lot of people do a little too much to these cars, but it actually looks super nice. I like how it has no stickers. I like how it's super clean. The fuse is a little crazy for me, but it's still nice. I like how it's still simple. The headlights are hard. I'm gonna just give it a 6 out of 10. Just because I don't know what kind of car this is, but it's still set up super nice. Another 350Z, super, super clean. It looks like an HR. Super nice. I like the front lip. I think you should get rid of the reflectors, bro. Make those like color match, and it'll look way more cleaner. The wheel setup's nice. I like how it's all black paint. It's hard to find a Z with nice headlights. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna try to speed through it, guys, because I want to get through everyone. MD Espinoza. This is the ST, right? Ford ST. It's cool. I'm not the biggest fan of these cars, but it's still super nice. I know there's like a big community of these cars. Like, you always see them riding together at the car meets and stuff like that. I think it's cool. It has a little nice wheel setup. Cool little daily, probably better on gas than my car. You can have all the homies in the back. I give it a 6 out of 10. Honda Civic SI. Alright. The homie Kevin. Alright, I'm not the biggest fan of Hondas, I'm not gonna lie, but it's nice to see a clean Honda sometimes, you know, because a lot of Honda owners, you guys know, they do a little too much. This guy already, super, super nice. I'm glad that my subscribers aren't completely riced out, bro. You guys have a nice car. We have good taste together. The wheel setup's nice. Or are the Advans, I think, or something like that? If they are, bro, that's crazy. Are they? I can't tell, but 3 exhaust tips. That's pretty crazy. I've never seen that before. I'm gonna give it a... I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10, okay? Because this is a clean Honda. Like I said, a lot of Hondas do way too much and they're riced out. This one's actually super clean. I like it. Let's see this guy. Oh my god. All right, first of all, my boy's on HRE wheels. That's how you know this dude's a baller. Those wheels are probably like 9 grand, right? I don't know, you let me know, bro. Right off the bat, this F80 is beautiful. Another perfect example of an F80. Super, super clean. Nothing too much done to it, just wheels and carbon fiber accents. It's all this car needs. You honestly don't need to do much to these cars. That lip is super nice. These wheels are super, super nice. The rear end is hard too. I like the diffuser, carbon fiber wing. I'm not the biggest fan of these wings for some reason on F80s. I don't like the one with the little dip in the middle. I don't really like that, but it's still clean. God damn! Alright, that was hard. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It looks clean, it sounds sick, it shoots flames. Who doesn't like flames? And it has red interior, I see. So 9 out of 10 for sure. Alright, we're changing it up. A couple different cars. We got an Audi now, the homie Alex as well. Purple Audi. This looks like a midnight purple. I'm not sure what Audi this is. What kind of Audi is this? RS3? Oh shit. Damn, I think it is an RS3. These things are super clean. I love these cars. I think they're super freaking fast too. I like the color, midnight purple. This car's obviously on bags. Has a nice wheel setup. Again, very, very clean setup. No stickers, nothing too crazy. No like riced out arrow, anything like that. I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. This thing's super nice. I like it. I like the color. Bro, do you guys see how many of you guys have requested to rate their cars? There's over 1,000, bro. Like, I'm not even joking. This is insane. I feel so bad that I can't get through everyone. We're definitely gonna have to do a part 2 of this for sure. Bro, there's literally no way for me to get through all these. Like, I swear there's way too many. All right, we have to do the homies R8. This thing is beautiful. It's my favorite R8, I think, on Instagram. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is so sick. He has it wrapped satin black right now. It looks super, super clean. Look at that, bro. You guys know an R8 is on my top dream cars that I want. The next supercar that I buy, or the first supercar that I buy, it has to be the R8. He has like the perfect example of an R8, bro. Like, it's on bags. Look how clean that shit is, bro. All satin black. This wing is my favorite wing on these cars. I think every R8 needs this wing on it. Yeah, bro, I need an R8 so bad. That shit is so clean. I'm gonna give it a that shit might get a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, okay? The only reason, bro, is because I hate orange. I would do red brake calipers. But that's my opinion. Everything else, 10 out of 10, dude. This thing is sick. I'm trying to switch it up and pick some different cars, but a lot of my subscribers have BMWs and GTRs. All right, we're gonna do the homegirl Sana's car, Lady Zilla on Instagram. You guys have seen her car before in my vlogs. And honestly, it's like my twin, bro. When I didn't have my wrap on the car and it was black, if you seen our cars next to each other, you would not be able to tell who's who. Like, you would legit think that's my car. I'm a little biased on this one because it looks like my car. But she has the same wheels as me, the ZE40s, Mickey Thompson tires, carbon fiber everything. We have the carbon fiber ducktail trunk just like mine. And then she had to throw on the beadlock wheels on there. It looks so freaking clean. That's like my ultimate dream setup, guys. Like, I want those wheels so bad. That whole setup is perfect, bro, with the ZE on the front and then the beadlock in the back. That shit looks mean. If I seen this thing driving on the street, I would not race it, especially if there was a girl driving. I don't want to get gapped by a girl. Obviously, it's not stock, bro. I'm gonna have to give her car, with this wheel setup, a 10 out of 10, bro. I love black GTRs, and like I said, I'm a little biased because this car looks just like my car if I had this wheel setup. And then when she puts both wheels back on, it's literally my car, bro. So yeah, guys, as you can see, there's so many, bro. Like, it's actually crazy. Everyone wants me to rate their car. Everyone's sending me photos of their car. Even in my requests, bro. Look, they don't stop. Now. 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago. And it just keeps going, dude. I'm so sorry I can't get through everyone, guys. I really wish I could. All right, who's gonna be the last one, bro? There's so many. I'm gonna just pick one at random. Boom. This one. Oh, shoot. Oh, I like how we're switching it up a little bit. 240 S14. This is another car that I want one day. It's super clean. You got the Nismo wheels on it? What are those? They are Nismo wheels. If you do drift it, it looks like you don't crash much, so you're probably good at drifting. Clean body, like no dents or nothing like that. It's hard to find a very clean one of these. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Super, super nice. Alright guys, well that was fun. That was a cool little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to do something fun. If you guys want me to do another one where like I roast subscribers' cars and actually go in Even though I don't really know what to say, bro. A lot of these builds were super nice. A lot of you guys have some nice builds. Nothing riced out. It's super clean. I think I've seen worse at like car meets and stuff. Maybe that would be a funny video. Going to car meets and roasting other people's cars. That would be pretty funny. Probably get myself beat up or something like that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. We're trying to hit 150,000 subscribers, guys. So hit that subscribe button right now. Go subscribe to the second channel, Nick and Emily. That link will be down below too. If you guys want a part 2, smash the like button for me. Comment down below. Let me know. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.